Welcome to the future of hydration, where we harness the power of nature to bring you a revolutionary method of weight loss. Meet our crystal water bottles, designed to supercharge your water and transform your journey to a healthier you. Crafted with care, these bottles contain natural crystals known for their weight loss properties. They infuse your water, making each sip infused with the benefits of Mother Earth. Drinking from our crystal water bottles is not just refreshing, it's a ritual. Experience the joy of hydrating with water that is energized and restored. Become a part of the wellness revolution with our crystal water bottles. Join thousands who are experiencing the transformative power of crystal-infused water. We're not just selling a product, we're inviting you to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Take the first step towards a lighter, healthier, happier you. Seize the opportunity. Try our crystal water bottles today and witness the change. Your journey towards a healthier life starts with a single sip.